Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to create and edit your WordPress homepage with Classic Editor. To create a homepage, log in to WordPress with admin access. Go to Pages and click on Add New. Enter a name for your homepage and click on Publish. Once you have created the page, you have to assign it the status of your website's homepage. Click on the WordPress icon in the top left corner of the screen. It will return you to the Pages section of the WordPress. Go to Settings and click on Reading Page. Under your homepage displays and select a static page option. Then select your homepage and Page for Posts from the drop-down menus. Now click on Save Changes to save the settings. There are three methods to edit a static WordPress homepage. First, theme customization. Second, blog editor. The video tutorial links for these methods are in the description section below. The third method is for those who have installed the Classic Editor plugin on their WordPress site. To edit homepage with Classic Editor, go back to the Pages section. Select the homepage. The page will open in the Classic Editor for you to edit. The name of your homepage will appear in the title section. You can enter your content in the text box below. It has a toolbar with various options to format the content. You can select between various headings and normal text from the drop-down list. The toolbar toggle option will bring out more formatting options. You can add media files like images to the page. Click on the Add Media button to open a new window. Click on the Select Files button to add new files to your media library. Then upload files from your device to add them to your media library. This window also enables you to access previously uploaded files by clicking on the Media Library tab. Select the file that you want to add and click on the Insert into Pages button. You can change the alignment of your image even after inserting it. To check your homepage's appearance after the changes are done, click on the Preview Changes button. Once you have finalized your page's appearance, click on the Update button to save your changes and make them visible on your website. In this way, you can create and edit your WordPress homepage with Classic Editor. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.